I be you want make I come to you tonight. Show you the want to company, yeah, yeah. I picture the things I go do to you tonight. You for sure they run for me, yeah, yeah. Oh baby, girl, back up. No more promotion. Now if you say you want me, I don't make you wanna see. Oh baby, girl, back up. No more promotion. Now if you say you want me, I don't make you wanna see. You. I don't even do nothing to you. So how you wanna leave, oh baby, girl, back up. No more promotion. Now if you say you want me, I don't make you wanna see. Oh baby, girl, back up. No more promotion. Now if you say you want me, I don't make you wanna see. Oh
baby, don't you leave me, don't go. My shawty, my love, my solo. Oh no, I know what you let your mouth.
Boys, girls, welcome to 2026. Yeah. Happy New Year, guys. Wherever you are watching this video from, Happy New Year. My name is Nicholas, and this is FX Diaries with Nick. I welcome you all to this new year. This new year is going to be full of action. Let's talk and more action, because we are bound to see results. Yes, we are bound to see results. I was about to make a video on my 2026 plans, but then I was like, scratch that. Why not buy a Profirm account and try trading the Profirm account? Let's see if you can pass it in the first quarter of 2026. Then I was like, that's a fair idea. So guys, in this video I'll be doing a series. Yes, because I don't think I'll be able to pass the Profirm within a month. I'll be doing a series. I don't know how many parts this series is going to be, but I'll be doing a series on passing a Profirm account, which I'm going to be purchasing very soon. And don't worry guys, I'm going to take you along this journey of mine, and hopefully we have a joyful and smooth ride. Alright guys, so before I delve into starting this series, I would have to get myself a Profirm account. And over the years I've been fucked over by some prop firms. Forgive my French, but then I've learned to stick with just one prop firm, and that is Funding Pips. And also, this is not an advertisement for Funding Pips. I've not been paid by them. This just one prop firm. I think they do right by you, and their prices are also fairly good. I could have considered FTMO too, but I don't have the money to pay for FTMO. So yes, we are sticking to Funding Pips. So let's get right onto it. Right. So let me open my search engine and type Funding Pips right here. Now this is the Funding Pips website. So we'll be choosing the two-step 5K account, and it goes for $36. As you can see here, profit target is 8%, maximum loss 10. That's for the phase one. So it goes on and on. We go to buy challenge, and then we would have to log in first. For the sake of privacy, let me log in and get back to you guys. Okay guys, so this is what I see here. For the amount of $36, I get a 5K account, and I'll be using the MetaTrader 5 platform to trade. What else? Yes, coupon code. I think I remember one coupon code. I think FP. Let me apply it and see. Yes, so using the FP coupon code, I got the total price to be slashed down to 28.8. that means $7 off. It's good. So we agree, then continue to payment. So I'm going to pay via Visa, and I can't let you guys see this, so I'll get back to you guys, okay?